Hey kids! Are you always excited for Halloween? It's time for costumes, candy and fun! But before we hit the streets, let's learn some super important tips to keep you and your friends safe while trick-or-treating. Ready? Let's go! Tip 1. Stay with a group. Always go trick-or-treating with your friends or family. Remember, there's safety in numbers. Keep an eye on each other and look out for one another. Tip 2. Plan your route. Before you head out, pick a safe route with your parents. Stick to familiar neighbourhoods and avoid busy streets. This way you can enjoy the fun without worries. Tip 3. Be aware of your surroundings. Always look both ways before crossing the street, even at crosswalks. Keep your head up and watch for cars, bikes or other surprises. Tip 4. Wear bright colours. Choose costumes that are bright or have reflective tape so drivers can see you easily. Safety first, fashion second. Tip 5. Use flashlights if it's dark. Carry a flashlight or glow stick to light your way. It helps you see better and makes you more visible to others. Tip 6. Check your candy. After trick-or-treating, have an adult look through your candy. Only eat treats that are unopened and look safe. Safety always comes first. Tip 7. Avoid crowded areas. Stick to less crowded streets and sidewalks. This way you won't get lost in the crowd. Tip 8. Keep your phone handy. If you have a phone, make sure it's charged and know how to contact your parents or guardians if you get separated. Always have a plan. Tip 9. Don't enter houses. Never go inside the homes of strangers for candy. Always stay on the porch. Tip 10. No emergency procedures. If you get lost or something goes wrong, know where to go. Make a plan with your parents ahead of time. And finally, be kind and respectful. Always say thank you to those who give you treats. Kindness helps create a fun Halloween for everyone. So remember kids, by following these tips, you can have a spooktacular and safe Halloween. Enjoy the fall everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share these tips with your friends. See you next time.
When it's Halloween night and the moon's shining bright, we'll grab our costumes and have a great night. But before we go out to collect our treats, let's learn some safety tips before we get our sweets. Stay with your friends, don't wander away. Trick-or-treating together is the safest way. Look all around, be aware of your street. With these Halloween tips, it'll be such a treat. Plan your route, know where to go. Stick to familiar streets and move with the flow. Wear bright colors so you're easy to see. Reflective tape helps us shine like a tree. Stay with your friends, don't wander away. Trick-or-treating together is the safest way. Look all around, be aware of your street. With these Halloween tips, it'll be such a treat. Flashlights in hand, we'll light up the way. Checking our candy when we get back, hip hip hooray. Don't go in houses, just stay outside. Stay safe and sound, with these rules abide. Stay with your friends, don't wander away. Trick-or-treating together is the safest way. Look all around, be aware of your street. With these Halloween tips, it'll be such a treat. So remember these tips on a spooky night. With friends by your side, it'll be out of sight. Happy Halloween, let's have some fun. With safety first, let's go everyone.